It is week 3 of National Nutrition Month, and this week we are nourishing your body at any budget with our dietitian Yvette.
Hello. Chef Kim and I will be demonstrating the benefits of preparing your own homemade bouillon powdered seasoning. Why do it? Number 1, sodium reduction. By making it at home on your own, it's cheaper, and as well, you're reducing sodium by over 50%, which is major for cardiovascular disease reduction. Number 2, you are increasing your nutrient density, which we'll talk a little bit about in a minute. And number 3, you are removing artificial coloring, starches, and hidden sugars, which is also major for chronic disease prevention.
If you want to know the exact measurements for what we're about to make, screenshot the ingredients down below. So why are we using these ingredients? It's because if you want to pack a really good punch when it comes to flavor, if it's your soups, your sauces, it's stews, it could be your risotto, your rice.
Stir-frying veggies.
Stir-frying veggies. This is how you can do it. Okay, so let's get this party started.
Let's get the magic going.
So we start with our celery seed. Okay.
Very nice.
Also, you're going to need an airtight jar, right? As well as your handy dandy measuring spoons.
Got one of those.
Okay, so we're starting with our celery seed.
Perfect.
This is already pre-measured. We move to our garlic powder.
This is a big one. This has been known to boost your immune system. It helps with heart health. It helps reduce your LDL cholesterol, aka the bad cholesterol. And it's also been studied to show that it can reduce your blood sugars.
Okay.
It's a good one if you have heart health or suffer from diabetes.
There we go. We now move to our thyme.
Are we on time?
We'll be on time. Our
Turmeric is one of my favorites. It's one of the most extensively researched spices. It is extremely high in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps with diabetes as well, as it can help improve your insulin sensitivity, and it can also help reduce your blood pressure. So again, as you can see, there's a theme with these spices when it comes to heart health and blood sugar control.
And a lot of people don't realize, in order to activate all the greatness in
all
turmeric,
the flavor.
all the flavor, you actually need black pepper.
Huh, good to know.
Parsley.
Another good one. This is a natural anti-diuretic.
Okay. Nutritional yeast.
Another big one. So for our vegan friends out there, this is extremely good vitamin B12 replacement that you would normally get from animal-based proteins. It also has, obviously, some protein itself. It has other B vitamins. B vitamins are extremely important when it comes to red blood cell production and energy.
And our last one, onion powder.
Love it. Love onions.
Okay, so now we have our airtight container, and what do? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Shake what your mama gave ya.
Shake
with some extra flavor.
With some extra flavor. And you know what I love about this? If you're someone who loves oregano, loves rosemary, loves basil,
or spice,
or
not me,
spice, then you can also pump up the flavors in terms of what herbs you use as well. And look at that. This is now going to last from anywhere from 6 months to 2 years.
Wow.
If you live someplace where there's high humidity, you can actually leave this stored in this airtight container in your refrigerator or even in your freezer.
So there you have it, your own homemade shake and bake without the sodium, preservatives, and extra flavor and punch for National Nutrition Month.